Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to the chat tab so you can see everything at once. Tap the chat icon at the bottom left, then scan the list for chats you want cleared. If you see colored icons or gray saved markers, that indicates unopened snaps or saved messages. Make a mental note. Once done, long press one conversation to reveal actions like delete or clear, because this first tap exposes the controls you need to remove threads quickly. Once you've exposed the conversation actions, long press a chat and choose Clear Conversation to remove the thread from your feed. This is fast and keeps your list tidy. If messages inside the chat are saved, open the chat and unsave individual messages by tapping and holding them until they unhighlight, then perform the clear action so nothing persists. For full deletion of saved content, use delete after unsaving. Make sure to confirm prompts so the app actually removes the items. To finish, go to Settings, find Account Actions, and use Clear Conversations for bulk cleanup if available. This speeds up removing many threads at once. Make sure to restart the app or your device if cleared chats remain visible, because sync delays can cause old threads to persist temporarily. If problems continue, update or reinstall Snapchat to refresh local data and force a proper sync. This usually resolves stuck conversations and ensures your cleared state stays consistent across devices.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.